Hi. Last video I have explained about what is called dynamic web pages. So dynamic web pages means the content of the page will get changed dynamic. So in order to make it a dynamic web page, we need to have some server side technology. So which we are going to learn something in JSP today, how to make a page dynamic. Okay, so I'm just going to share the NetBeans screen in order to demonstrate you how to create a dynamic page. Okay, so I hope this is a screen like it's visible for you. Now go to new project. It's a Java web application. We are going to write a web application like the same thing. And the project name which I am going to give us JSP. Okay, this is the name of the project. Click on next. Same server name is there. And the context path also you can see like JSP1. Click on next. Now again it is asking you whether you want any framework. For the time being, we are not going to use any framework. Click on finish. Now when you click on finish, you will get an HTML page, that is index.html. Now this index.html, this is only an HTML page. When you have an extension .html, you may not be able to write any JSP tags. Okay, so Java server pages, if you want to do, like I am going to add another page inside this web pages. See how I am right clicking on web pages, click on new, see that it's giving an option like JSP. If this option is not coming in your editor, maybe because you are not done before that, go to others. Definitely you will see like see, under web JSP is there. Clear or not? I will demonstrate you for once again. Right click on web pages, new. If JSP is here, please select from there. If at all JSP is not there, go to other. There inside that web, first one is what? JSP. Click on next. Now, what is the name of the file? I just want to give the name of the file as say hello world. So it's coming hello world.js. What is that? Which is a folder? By default, I want to inside this web pages, so I'm not selecting any folder. Click on the finish button. Now you can see like a hello world.jsp file is created inside this. Yes. Now see the difference. Index.html page, this document type was here. Directly it was starting with HTML head and etc. etc. Whereas when it comes to hello world.jsp, hw.jsp, there you can see like the first line something else is written. Apart from the document type, less than %@ page, content type is equal to text bar HTML, page encoding is equal to UTF-8. So UTF-8, this which we have already studied in third semester also when we discussed about networking. This UTF was there in some functions like I told like write UTF, read UTF. That means Unicode text format. Now what is this Unicode text format? Each character will be encoded in a specific format and which requires 8 bytes. 8 bytes means we know that 1 byte is equal to, not 8 bytes, 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Clear. So encoding used is UTF-8. And what is the content of this page? It is only a text or a HTML. Less than %. Now I will explain what is the relevance of this tag % greater than, less than %, and @ like while explaining the other part of it. Now you can see like JSP page, then H1 hello world. Let it be there. What I am going to do is, see, I am going to add a JSP tag. What is this? This is a JSP tag. In my previous video, I have explained you that page which contains instructions that has to be processed in the server. So now, how to distinguish that which content has to be processed in the server, which has to be processed in the browser area. So in order to make clear distinction between this, every server-side technology uses some special tag. Since you are aware of PHP, can I ask you which is the tag? Less than, $PHP, and ends with greater, greater than. Similar to that, in JSP, we use less than, % and % greater than. So this is a tag which is used for telling that inside this, the instructions which is written should be processed in the server, web server. Only the output has to be given to the browser area. Now see, we know that system.out.println is used for displaying something in Java. Same thing, but we are not using system. Simply you write out.println. See, welcome to JSP. Welcome to JSP. Just putting a semicolon, similar to Java syntax. So out is an object, println is the method. Welcome to JSP is the message which I want to display. Now see, I have written a simple JSP page, or I have created a JSP page which contains static information and also which contains dynamic information. Now what is the dynamic information? This will be processed by the web server, and you won't be able to see all these, whereas you will be able to see only the output of this. Clear? Let us execute this. So I'm clicking on the execution button, running button. Now it will be opened in the browser. I will share that screen once it is opened. Clear? So I'm just stopping this this thing, and then I'm sharing that browser. See this? The browser is, yes. Here you can see like it is JSP1. Our project has been executed, but still that index.html file has been executed. That is the reason why this to do write content is here. Now what I am going to do is, here I am going to write, I think our page was JSP. What was the page which we have created? Sorry, it is not JSP. Hello world hw.jsp. So hw.jsp. I'm just pressing the enter. So when I press hw.jsp, it is getting refreshed. So yes, now see, hello world was there already. It is in h1 tag. That is the reason why this much big it is coming. And after that, welcome to JSP. Now this welcome to JSP, I will just show you the view source of view page source. Okay, what is the source of this page? See, I open the page source of this particular file. Document type is here. JSP page is here. See this, hello world is here. Just welcome to JSP. We are not finding that less than percentage or percentage greater than, not even out.println. So what is the meaning of that? That our instructions are processed in the server and only the output is sent to the client. Clear? So when such a processing is happening, that means, see this. These all instructions are processed in the server and only the output is sent. That is why this is called a dynamic web page. Clear? This is a dynamic web page. Now the index.html was my first page. Now I want to just give a hyperlink. A href is equal to which page I want to go. I want to go to hw.jsp page. Go to my hw.jsp. Okay. Go to my hw.jsp. So I have just created a hyperlink. I will execute it again. Okay. I have clicked on the execute button. Now I will share the screen for that browser. Okay. So the browser screen is here. See, to do write content is here, but now you can see like there is a hyperlink. Now when you click on this hyperlink, means when you place the mouse over this hyperlink, see this location on left below corner, you can find out the URL jsp1.hellow.jsp. So click on that. Now you can see like your JSP page. So from the index page, I just put a hyperlink to activate that JSP page. This much is clear. So please try to do this JSP application. If you find any difficulty, please let me know. Otherwise, this is the way how we write, like we have a JSP page which contains instructions, which we call it as a dynamic web page. Hope this much is clear for you. Thank you. I will come with another video very soon.